during the orientation. Math grading system, math class record, I'll give that to you. Excel. Then lesson 1, okay, that is in your PPT, no? Orientation before, or sorry, for the first part, no? Before we discuss our lesson 1, learning objectives, it must be part of it, no? The art note taking. Next, key concepts are formulas. We call this the formulas. Now, after the after the objectives, really, no, there is but learning essentials. We call that, no, key concepts also or formulas to remember, like this one, no, and then examples. Mabilis ba ako? Sige, I'll give this to you. Walang problema. And then, of course, examples, no? If you notice, my examples are in the Excel, no? There's a lot of sheets. It's up to you to include them all, no? For your art note-taking to be complete. It's up to you. If not, tinatamad, wala akong problema, no? If you are lazy, sit work if there are, and then let's discuss. If I'm going to color this one, this is you. Okay, you can even draw yourself. This is a cover note, right? Color them. It's beautiful, no? If your writing is a cursive one, and then put some colors in this, and then drawings, blah 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 there, it's okay, no? Art, okay? I'm not telling you how to be an artistic. It's up to you, no? It will come out, okay? Bring out the best in you, okay? It's just a matter of integrating MAPE, music arts, no? To you, no? Use MAPE skills or music arts skill. Next. Okay, I think I discussed that. Okay, you must have that. It's manual, no? Okay, manual for... Okay, ito po. Okay. Ito naman po, you can do the manual. Now, sige, I'm open to having this for you, no? Some are uh, can show actually their art in the digital notes. No, it's okay. No, it's okay. But I do not want you to actually present to me a digital complete. Like for instance, your notebook is so digital. No, it's not. No. Okay, manual is your notebook, pero the digital I'm saying is that you can print it if you have printer. No, you print that and cut, and then paste it. No, dangle it in your notebook. You can do that. Okay? So again, mind you, notebook must be physical. And then the digital notes that I'm referring is that you print it and then dangle it. And did you get that? Like for instance, this one. This is the notebook physical. And then this one can be actually a printed one. Did you get it? Okay? So I'm making myself clear to you, huh? Notebook is not a digital note. It is a physical. Okay, next question. Okay, these are your learning objectives and then learning essentials can be that. Okay, this is grade 8 kasi. Okay? And then examples in my Excel. Okay? And then I'll have you this, no? Artistic work, format, that is a format I've shown you, no? And then neatness and organization, it must be organized. It's hindi po nakakahilo. Time management. O sige, let's have this, no? For your prelims or midterm, or mid is middle, no? This is actually the beginning and then the final. For prelims or mid, one of these will be unannounced. Okay? So for instance, your prelim, pass it on, then you must pass. It's announced. For midterm, of course, it's unannounced, no? Okay, we meet and then kindly pass. It's unannounced. Okay? This announce one kasi is that I'll chat you, no, when to pass it. The unannounced, it's not, no? We have the meeting and then I think I want to check your notebook or your project. Please pass. Did you get me? No? Ako ha? Okay. So whatever you have provided in the prelims, do not provide it anymore, no? Okay, if you can actually press the photo in your messenger for that prelim, attaching your mid, you do that, no? Okay, they are connected. For instance, your photo was sent this date, and then you're sending the mid, no? Just press a bit that that prelim photo, and then you attach your second photo, no? Photo, I mean, you must photo your project. And then the last will be, uh, this one must be done 1 day, okay? 1 day ahead of your, what do you call that? Periodical, okay? Periodical. Okay, so prelims and midterms could be 1 day ahead of your monthly. Why? Because you need those art, no? You can actually go back to them and make it as resource, no? For your review. Did you get me? Okay. So it's not after the monthly or periodical, it's not a day before. Okay? Okay, a day before. So you can use it. 12, 13. Okay. Am I clear with this artistic work? It will come out. Okay? How good you are. Exhibits are extraordinary in creativity. You can do that. Format adherence. Okay, that adherence, no? I'm discussing. This is your format, actually, no? Okay, sir, can we tear again the notebook? It's up to you. Can we tear again the notebook? Tear, 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 tear. Okay, sige. You can tear them again, no? It's up to you. Next. Wait lang po. Okay, format adherence. And then neatness, of course. Okay? So kung pangit ka magsulat, pangit na talaga, no? Just put some artistic uh, drawings in it. It will become beautiful. Ganun po talaga, no? Again, Sam, I'm telling, if your, what do you call that, writing is not that good, no? It is the worst writing ever there. Put some art in it, no? Okay, drawings, colors in it, it will become beautiful. Time management, mhm. When I say pass, pass. If you cannot um, follow my time, then deducted. Okay? Is it clear, class? Use your chat box. Yes, 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 yes. Should be the type word there. Okay, sige. It's clear, huh? Okay, very good. Okay, where are now the teachers? Okay, teacher, I will not present anymore. Okay, I need you to present. Go, teacher. Teacher Anna Faith and teacher John Rain. Okay, sige. Present Anna Faith and John Rain. Discuss to us the binomial expansion.
Okay, so first thing we are going to discuss is about the Pascal's triangle. We are going to use the Pascal's triangle in order to wait a sec po. we are going to use Pascal's triangle in order to determine what are the coefficients in the binomial expansion. So how do we know how to do this Pascal's triangle? So first we start by ones, then the numbers which are to each going to add them, and what the sum will be is right under them, under these two numbers. The same thing is the same thing, and that is a pattern in this triangle, which is 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1. And as you can notice, all the sides are number 1. So this is how we got the coefficients for the activity. 1 plus 5 gives us 6, 5 plus 10 gives us 15, 10 plus 10 gives us 25, 10 plus 5 gives us 15, and 5 plus 1 gives us 6. And next you're going to have John Rain for the patterns and the exponents.
Okay, so for learning the binomial expression and patterns, after we finish learning how to use the Pascal triangle, we know how we are now ready to write the expression. So first we have here the x plus y, which is the first one. So we know that this is the first row, first row, this one. And since we don't have to write the coefficient if it's 1 for the variable, so we don't, so this is the answer for it. I'm not the very best for explanation. And six, this is second, this is the second row for x plus y squared. So we will use this for the numerical coefficient again. So x raised to the power of 2 with one coefficient, we don't have to write that. And for the second one, 2xy, the numerical coefficient here. And for y, again, uh, you don't have to write the numerical coefficient again. So notice that the every time we go more here, the right, the value of the exponent of x decreases while y increases. So the pattern here for the exponent is the more it goes to the right for x, the more it decreases by 1. And for y, the more it increases by 1. So this it's the same for the others as well. So let's say here x plus 3 uh, cube x3, following again the Pascal triangle for the numerical coefficient 1 x3, then 3 x squared and y plus 3x y squared, and then y cube. It decreases 3 from 3, then goes to 2, then 1 until the x is gone from to 0. That's it's also for y. There's no y from the start. Then goes by 1. Then increases again, but then it's now 2. The exponent now 3. Let's have another example. Let's say x plus y to the power of 6. So this is the first term, second term, third term, fourth term. Let's find the sixth term first on the Pascal triangle. 5, 10, 10, 5, 1, 1 again, 6, 15, 20, 15, 1, 6, and 1.
So I'll interrupt you,
Uh,
John Rain. That's
yes, sir.
okay. Thank you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Anna Faith also. Okay. Okay, sige. Thank you very much. Okay, they are brave enough actually, no? A few minutes were given to them and they were able to actually discuss it somehow clear, right? Okay, sige. I'm budgeting my time, ano? It's 8 minutes. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, so now we go now here. If they have used this, okay, this one. Okay, can you see that? Okay, that is my sheet, no? Tama ba yung pagkakabigkas ko? Sheet. Hindi sheet. Ay, shit naman yun isa, no? Sorry. Sorry po. Okay, so in my Excel, you must be opening the Excel, huh? Okay? Yung iba po kasi hindi nakakapag-open ng Excel. Tell me if you cannot open so I can give you photo of this, okay? So if you are in my 29 sheet, and then you can see this, no? There's a pattern really, no? But it seems like it's confusing, no? Okay, wait a minute. Okay, why do we apply this? We recall this one. Okay, we review this first. Remember that in your grade 8, okay, and even grade 9, no, you were asked to actually expand this, no, and we call it a special product. Okay, this can be easily actually multiplied. The two, meaning A plus B. There are two terms, no? Okay, A plus B. In one parenthesis, there are two terms, no? But if you multiply that parenthesis to itself again, it's like this, right? A plus B times A plus B again, no? And then you have this as a result. Did you get that? Okay, and then A minus B, it's square. Twice of it, this one, no? It's a special product, no? This one can be actually solved through FOIL, no? It's easy. It's FOIL. First, outer, inner, and the last, no? If you do not know that, mind you, just school Lord, no? You're missing the foundation of algebra. Okay? If you do not know how to FOIL, you are grade 10. I do not know, no? I question why you're here in grade 10. It's FOIL, no? Everything here is FOIL, basically. And then, when you actually go up, no? Increase your exponent to 3, it becomes this. And then the Chinese now is that, no? And then, beautifully, okay, in the ancient times, Blaise Pascal discovered the pattern in here, no? It's algebra. I do not know if, yes, okay, he was able to actually relate this one as a Pascal's triangle, no? Parang, he uses geometric figure, but not actual geometric, no? Or figure rather, but it's just a triangle. Why? Because there's a beginning, no? And then pattern. Okay, this now is your pattern. Let's go. Okay, if it will be visualized to you in colors, it's beautiful, no? It will be beautiful. Okay, it's like that. Okay, sige, I'll make it mas malaki. Ayan, okay? So again, my aim is to actually discuss to you how about, no, raising the exponent into more, no, higher than 2. It will be difficult. Okay? Why? Because FOIL can no longer be applied in here, right? Okay, but Pascal's triangle is beautiful. We can apply it. Okay, let's go. This is Pascal's triangle. Okay, I start with 1. And then I have 1 and 1. Yeah, actually, I will not start with 1 only, but 1 and 1 and 1. It's a triangle, no? With 1 and 1 and 1. And then if I'm going to actually make a pattern from 1 and 1, this is what I'm going to actually do. Okay, the outer, okay, will be 1. 1 and 1. And then, what you're going to actually do is to add 1 and 1 inside. 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay? See, the pattern is having 1. Okay? All the outer will be what? With 1s, no? So, Pascal's triangle actually is the coefficient of this term. Kuha? Okay, sige, let's go again. 1 plus 1 is 2. But this one, 1 plus 2 is 3. It's inner. Okay, 2 plus 1 is 3. They are inner, right? Okay, 1 and 1, you're not adding anything, no? Okay, the pattern there is that's just enclose this inside with 1 and 1. And then next, 1 plus 3 is 4, 3 plus 3 is 6. There's a pattern, no? Beautifully. And then, okay, and so on and so forth. Okay? You do not create your own pattern. This is Pascal's triangle. Where do we use this? They will be used as your coefficients for these terms, no? Okay, sige, let's go here. This is x plus 1 raised to 0. Okay, we all know that any number or any variable raised to 0 is 1, no? Okay, but mind you, natural number is, what do you call this? It starts with 0, no? That is why do not just reject 0. Natural numbers is different from your counting number. You check it, no? Natural numbers, I think, begins with 0, but counting numbers begins with 1. Did you get it? Okay, sige. Tingnan natin po ito. Sir, what about the green ones, no? What is the pattern? If all red there will be the coefficients of that term. You see, terms here are expanding, no? When you actually raise your exponents there or powers there, you tend to expand your terms, no? Okay. Like for instance, in here, of course, this is raised to 2. Okay, how many terms? It's just but 3, no? It's like 2 plus 1. 2, it's 3 terms. Okay, in here, it's raised to 2. So how many terms? 1, 2, 3 terms. Okay, it's n plus 1. Why n plus 1? Because we're referring now to n as your exponent. 2 plus 1. Okay, we go back to counting numbers. Did you get it? Okay, sometimes counting and natural numbers really are what do you call that one? Misinterchange, no? The meaning. Okay, let's find out again, no? How many terms in here? It's 1 exponent plus 1. It's 2 terms. Okay, we go now to 3. Raised to 3. 3 plus 1. Terms 1, 2, 3, 4. That's n plus 1. 3 plus 1. So how about 3 and 3 here, the exponent, and 3 here as your color, no? Okay, let's examine. Okay, it's 12:13 na po. This one connotes, okay, determines actually this exponent will be the highest exponent for x. Did you get it? Okay, x is there. That is the first term. And then second term is 1. Okay, pansinin nyo, no? X is there. X is also there. X is also there. X is no longer there. Okay? Okay? The opposite also is that for your second term y, begin here at the very end. Y is there. Y is there. Y is no longer there. That's the pattern in there. Okay? Take note that x diminishes, no? Its exponents diminishes by 1. 3, 2, 1. And then, actually, there is x here, but it's raised to 0. X raised to 0 is 1. So it's gone. It's 1. Okay? Again, basically, there is x there. X raised to 0, but it's 1. So, technically, it's gone. Okay, what about y? Start with 3. Why? Because exponent is 3. Okay? 3, 2, 1, and then y raised to 0 is 1. Also, it's gone. No? Parang they're meeting. So, it's like that. Did you get it? Okay, sige. Again, how about, sir, you're questioning me, Sir, what is the operation there in between those terms, no? In here, it's plus, but in here, it's multiplication, mind you, no? It's multiplication. Nakaintindihan? Okay. In here, in the outer, it's solo variable, ha? Okay. Solo term, x, y, no? Solo x, solo y. In here, they are mixed. Did you get it? Okay, that's the beauty in it. For the fourth, it's 4, 3, 2, 1, and then 0. Gun is x. Y raised to 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. But you see, the insertions of those Pascal's triangle pertains to your coefficients is there. No, it's 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. They are constant. Okay, in those terms, they are constant. Nakuha. Okay. So, tignan nyo siya. Ganun din siya. Huh? Okay, beautiful. 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Okay. So, somehow, are you getting it? Can we apply? Okay, sige. I leave this one as your assignment. You don't need to pass, no? Okay. Sige. But mind you, we will be removing the coefficients which are not necessary there, like 1 coefficients and raised to 1. Okay, sorry. Variables that is raised to 1 exponent, no? Okay, like this, no? Okay, this should be the way it should be, no? Gone are those 1 coefficients and 1 exponents. And then, sige, let's have this, okay, 2a plus 2b. Okay, raised to, okay, 2 and raised to 5. That is your assignment. 2a plus 2b raised to 2 first, no? Para mag-enjoy muna kayo, and then raised to 2b. And then, what we're going to actually do is to, what? Okay, replace x and y with 2a and 2b. X and y, and y should be your pattern. Replace everything, x and y, no? X, 2a, x, 2a, y, 2a, y becomes 2b. Y? Okay, sige. Screenshot it. Go. Hindi na pala 2 raised to 2. It's raised to 5 na lang. Sorry. Okay, sige. I'll give you this example for 2a plus 2b raised to 2. We do not answer that anymore. That's your pattern. But you're going to answer 2a plus 2b raised to 5. You see it. Okay, if you can actually apply. Okay, again. Screenshot this. Kasi kayo, hindi kayo nag-screenshot. Pag nagdi-discuss si Sir Romel, screenshot na kaagad. No? Okay, and then, screenshot this. There's a pattern, no? Okay, it seems that coefficients which are ones were gone. Next, screenshot this. Okay, this is your example, no? We're replacing x and y by 2a and 2b. Okay, your answer will be final. And then, your assignment will be 2a plus 2b raised to 5. Enjoy it, no? You are not solving anything, but you are to actually enjoying and applying pattern. Okay, did you get me? Okay, naintindihan? Okay, pag hindi naintindihan, magpakamatay na.